Hey folks, Isaac Freed here, talking about the new book, How to Not Give a Fuck in 10 Easy Steps. Here you go, let's get some sunlight on it. I thought it would be a brilliant idea to come out to the park and film this at sunrise. You could see half my face. So today we're talking about chapter 25, effort. The idea here is that once we understand karma or cause and effect, that our actions have consequences, we can make an effort to take actions that are wise, thereby creating less in our life about which we must give a fuck. And we can minimize the actions we take that are unwise, that create a bunch of shit that we need to give a fuck about. Pretty simple stuff. That and many more ideas in the book, How to Not Give a Fuck in 10 Easy Steps, The Modern Layperson's Guide to Enlightenment by Swami Pranayomama. That's moi. Now click on the link here or there or wherever it is. Check the book out. Be a nice person. Have a great life. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey, thanks for watching these videos. I hope you're enjoying them, getting some good nuggets of wisdom, a few good laughs. And I'm making this little addendum video because I can't put these little links in the corners here of the videos like you used to be able to do until I have 1,000 subscribers, which I don't have. So if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. Hit the subscribe button if you want to help me out, get to that 1,000, you and 999 other people, and I can put little links in the corners. You can go buy the book or check out the websites. In the meantime, hopefully down here in the description, there's some websites. Real simple. One, howtonotgiveafuck.net is about the book, articles, some funny videos. Then my own website where there's some poignant articles I've written, more general topics. And if you want, sign up for the email newsletter. We don't really harass you much, but we let you know when there's new videos. And me and my business partner, Boulder, he's like the tech guy because I'm just learning how to make videos here in 2020. And what else? You want to sign up for the newsletter because you'll be the first to know about the new book that's coming out. I'm not sharing the title of it yet because it's too good. So thanks for watching. Some websites down there. And hit some buttons with thumbs and subscribes or do whatever you want. Be a good person. Have a good day.